think she's playing with that dolly.
It's big.
Is that a big dolly? Come here. Look here.
Yeah, I found her dolly. I found her dolly.
Oh, show her that one. Maybe that one she can
I
play
have red hair.
with. Yes.
Oh, Ariel.
Oh.
It's kind of an inside joke.
I found
What'd you find?
Chris's hat.
A Christmas hat? No, it's a Christmas stocking. When you were a little tiny baby, Eli, Mommy stuffed you in one of those and took a picture.
Oh.
They both filming.
Nope, not no more.
It's Chris's hat.
Mm-hmm.
I can take this. No, it's a bit terrible. I'm gonna take that.
Yippee.
This is garbage.